Good morning, this is me Ali Raza and I'm here again with another video case study regarding restoration of a Google Ads account. Okay, now why this case study is different than my other Google Ads case study is because this account is of a niche of a finance and investment niche, and we all know that investment and finance niche is a very tough niche while working with Google Ads. I've also worked with health niche, a traveling niche, other niches, and I feel that the top two hardest niche for restoration of Google Ads account while working is one is health niche, the other is finance niche, and if you ask me for the third one, I would say that it's for getting the affiliate accounts reinstated. These three are my main, I believe that so far in my experience are the toughest to restore, while the other ones are also difficult to restore, but we have done them and we can easily do them, but this one takes time, patience, and a lot of changes required on the website. So let's get started with this. For those who don't know, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company, and I provide digital marketing solutions ranging from Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, web development, landing page solutions. So much things here. What you have to do in case you want to hire us, the link is in the description of this video. And I want you to subscribe to this channel, and let's get started without wasting any further time. So basically, when the client actually, was very concerned because he tried running his own ad for various times and he was failed. So he bought an ads account as well as management service from us, and he said that you are going to solely run this campaign for myself and my client, because he was actually a third party. So, and we did research, comparative research, and we didn't find any issue. While we were skeptical, because finance niche is a tough, is different, and he has a history of his getting his old account suspended. So in case if we see an suspension on the account, that is nothing surprising, because we could expect based on his past history. So we started, and as soon as he added his bank details, the account was suspended for suspicious payment, and luckily we were able to get it restored. But once we restored, the account again got suspended, and the account this time was suspended for unpaid balance. And now we were surprised because the account didn't had any issue like unpaid balance, and we were successfully able to do the payment. But this was quite surprising. But we all know that the issue was primarily due to the finance niche and the previous history of account suspension. So what we did a detailed research on the competitors, what kind of ads they are running. We had a discussion with our Google rep as well on what things we can do for the restoration, and we also have created a check map list for website things to be corrected before running. So I'm going to share with you few of the reports so you guys have an idea on what changes we suggested to the client as well. So this was again it's a team effort and not a single person effort. It's always a team effort. So you can see that we suggested there were few things. There were few 404 pages error on the website which we felt that needs to be corrected, and then we also recommended them that the page speed is too slow. Now you may be surprising, what does the page speed has to do with the unpaid balance suspension error? But believe me that once we get an account suspended, it can go suspended again in case if you're doing any other violation. So it's always a better idea to check all the checkpoints before even trying to reinstate the account. You never know, are going to hit your account with another suspension again. So it's a better idea, because now the account is at the radar. So now we have to check all the things for clearance. And the second thing was told you page speed. And after that page speed, because I also say that a second late is a second loss, and I do not want my visitor to think about something else while he has clicked on my website, and I want the loading time to be done as soon as possible. And then comes to the pages we suggested them with about you, about refunded return pages, terms of services, money back policies, money policies, some certificates as well, because it's a finance niche, so some certificates as well. And we also even asked some clients for Google Map, Google business listings as well. This can also give trust, but the client didn't have this or neither the object, because every nature of business is different. Now I'm going to show you another thing. Okay, so this is another report. So here, we suggested some forms, we suggested some grammar issues, we, also suggested them a timer for an agency. This will also bring good sales. And then we also had them the testimonials, plan, pricing, about you, why you, newsletter. These were the few things we added. Now another thing I am going to tell you, very interesting, while working with Google Ads, is that the content is very important. How you are putting your content, there should be multiple copy checks while writing an article or getting it run on Google Ads. Now the copy checks is not for grammar issues, but rather for violation with Google Ads policy, because most of the people are not aware with what is happening with Google Ads. So which is why it is very necessary to go through with your content for compliance, such as in case if you are claiming somewhere that use our formula to get 300% guaranteed increase in your investment, and now Google is not going to approve it, because how you are claiming 300%? Do you have any proof? Do you have any certificate? Do you have any guarantee? Or it's just a false claim? So never make claims without certain evidence. In case if you want to say such things, there are other ways to say those things, and we have done for our clients, and you can do it, but use the words wisely, so you do not have such issues. And now where money is involved, where the user has to spend money, Google is also very concerned regarding scamming, hacking, fraud, which is again why another reason the finance niche is difficult to deal with. And then we also added, why you, about yourself, the organization, when the organization started, what happened, how they started, who are the partners, team, newsletter is also very important, because we were also managing their Google Ads campaign apart from Google Ads restoration. So now when we were having two things, so we do not want the visitor to get waste. And in case if the visitor is not buying the product right now, a newsletter is going to create a relationship based attachment, so that you are going to knock them again and again with your newsletter. Yeah, we are here for you. So that is also works with the, you might have heard about TOM, top of the mind strategy, is that when you continuously knocks them, then there will eventually come a time when for your niche, your brand will be the top of the thing in their mind. For instance, if I am a teeth doctor and I continuously remind my clients with my newsletter regarding how to maintain your healthy teeth, 5 ways, few toothpaste where, so just in case he get a toothache or any teeth issue, he is going to remember your name in his mind as a priority. All credit goes to TOM, top of the mind strategy, which you can achieve through newsletter, a combination linked with social media pages, so you have a relationship based attached with your audience. And then, like I have already told you about the in my other report regarding about you, refund, return, terms of service, money back, money policies, speed, and website broken links. So now once we did all the things, we had to wait. In case if you are asking, we also had to do continued discussions, meeting with Google team regarding the case. We suggested for a manual review. We wanted to get them a manual review because we were doing nothing wrong. And in case if you are asking how many days it took for us, so usually we ask clients to give us at least 2 to 3 weeks to get it sorted. But the client was not patient in this, and he wanted to get it done as soon as possible. So, but again, it can take time, and actually it took around 12 days. And now I'm going to show you the email we got, and then the account screenshot as well, dashboard as well, so you guys have an idea. Okay, so just a second. So here you can see your Google Ads account has been reactivated. And just for you guys that this is a recent case, because it's a 21 hours ago case, and your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information. Whatever suspension error is, once it's restored, you will see this restoration sentence like your account was temporarily suspended for billing information. Regardless, even it was not for billing information, they will keep on saying it that it was for billing information. So now I'm going to show you the dashboard as well, so you guys have an idea. Now once we enter into the account, you can see the impressions are on their way, and you can see that your account is unsuspended. You can see the notification as well over here. So it's a win-win situation for us as well as for the client. And yeah, it's another successful case study regarding restoration of Google Ads account being suspended. So I hope you like this video, and in case if you are looking for our services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach us. And once again, thank you for watching, and I want you guys to subscribe to this channel in case if you're looking to watch videos like these. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Enjoy this video and share it with your friends as well. Thank you and bye bye.